Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And I'm gonna be playing some games. And yeah, the 4 is no, that's boring. Rust. Ooh, Flamingo played this game, and I thought it looked pretty good. I've tried playing it, but I only saw a little bit, and then I had to get off of it, so I had to do something. But I haven't even played the whole game. And by the way, I'm eating M&Ms. Yes, I am verified as Majod0. Wait, is my volume's off again? Ooh, what's that? I'm actually very confused where that is coming from. Like, I've heard this before. I didn't know where it was from. It's dark. I seem to be getting close. Oh, it's me. Dead. Oof. I won't answer the call. Hello? Hello? You're not answering me. Should I be hanging up right now? Yo, who's holding the phone? The phone's just holding itself? Wow! Oh, I just put it back. User Majod0 has been logged. Sweet. I'm gonna play some more of Rust games. Ooh, creepy. He's friend with Mr. Funflame, and I hate my son. I've seen Mr. Funflame's video of the Rust. I've seen all of them. Endless. Let's play Endless. Alright, Endless. Hey, there's some peeps over there. Hello, my peeps. Didn't Flamingo play this game? I swore he did. Oh yeah, he did. Don't touch anything on the panel. Oh, I said plane. Yeah, someone else is here. Me. And it's only me here. The NPCs. Go away! Go away! Go away! What did you want to join modules? Frown. Okay then. Well, big frown. I wanted to get my lantern out, but I can't. Cursor's not letting me. Oh, I sneezed. Seems to be getting lighter. I'm getting a little creeped out. Pablito. Oh. Oh, that's just a sky. I thought that was a person. Do I just walk? This is getting kind of boring. I'll play something else by Rust. 010. He has a dark side. This guy, I only played one of his games. Look behind you. It's a shelf. What's up, bookshelf? Noise. I love this song. No, it's locked. Do I burn it down with the lighter? Who dare? I want to get away from the window. I don't feel safe.
The instructions about to be set are important for your safety. Lock all windows and doors.
Dude, my window's open.
Someone or something at your door. Do not answer it.
I will.
Your lives.
I know this is fake, but I'm...
Do not use your phone to call anyone.
Oh, hey, look, it's Leaves. What's up, Leaves?
No matter who it may be. If you hear a strange noise from inside or outside your house,
I'm gonna open the door.
If you see a light from outside, do not investigate it. If you
I will.
hear a door or window open from inside your home, find a place to hide and stay quiet.
I don't have a place to hide.
If you see someone or something
Unless I can become an
outside
item
or
on the shelf.
inside your home, do not interact with it. No matter who it may be, stay calm.
What if it's my mom? That jump scared me. Hey! Get out of my property! Get out of my house! Going back in my house. Oh, it's my car. What's up, Mr. Car? Oh, I can't close it. What do I do? I can't close my door. Holy crap. I'm turning my radio. Dude, close my door. Oh, I feel... Dude, I shouldn't have opened my door. Oh, crap. I'm not gonna be like those stupid people in horror movies. Like, hey! What doing? Who's out there? I'm not like them. Well, I'm acting like them. Ouch, my arm is asleep and it hurts! I'm gonna drive away. Do you want to be kidnapped by me? I'm a kidnapper. My van is like way too tall for my size. Hi, Mr. Trey, what doing? I'm gonna get in the back of my van. Or not. Anyone there? This is boring. I'm gonna get out of here. Stupid Rust. Trying to scare me. Can you see it? Yes, I can see it. I see you. You need some milk. Yeah! I eat water, so you can't change anything about that. Ooh. Lag. A laggy game. Ack, I hate lag and darkness. Why can't I get my lantern out? It would be easier on my phone because I can get it out. Ooh, I can see it. Is this what you're talking about? Oh wait, it's the moon. I thought it was fire. Well, I can see the moon. I can hear it. Follow the Plano road. I'm gonna follow. Ooh, what's this sign say? Private property. No trespassing. That's what I told the person who came to my window. Get on my freaking property. Alright. I'll go over here. Whoever got in my property, I'm gonna go in there. Oof, the trees and the moon make me feel like something's coming. Something's supposed to happen. Hello? Woo! I got some cookies. Cookies? Well, I don't see anything. Guess I might as well leave. Come at me or I'll leave. 3, 2, 1. Dang, loser. Nothing even came at me. Oh well. See you in the next video. Bye.